Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first ever video of HTML Basics 1. Today we're going to be talking about the true basics of HTML and also cascading style sheets. First of all, let's talk about the software I'm going to be using in this series. So I like to use Adobe Brackets. Brackets is quite nice because firstly it's an open source software, and so we have loads of languages from C#, C++, all the way to some languages you've probably never heard of, and it's also free, so that's pretty useful. Okay, before anything else, let's get started. One of the first things you want to do when you start HTML is get a folder. So I've already made a folder and it's called HTML videos, so let's just open that real quickly. And right now there's obviously nothing in this file. So what you want to do first is create a new file. Let's name this test1.html. Just quick save so the software knows that this is indeed a HTML file, or we can actually just select it from down here. As you can see, these are all the languages. We even have Python, I believe. Yeah, Python, which is quite helpful actually, and Java for our programming layer of our website. So anyways, so one of the first things you want to do when you start making a website is definitely start using HTML. This is sort of the basics. This just makes sure that the entire software knows that you're making an HTML file, and so on and so forth. When I make a website, I like to start with the head. This is just basically sort of the top part of the website, sort of the bar, and in that bar, let's make a title. Let's name it one as well. Great. Now, so in HTML, also known as hypertext markup language, the main content of the page is called the body. So let's go ahead and just write that there. Let's make some space. I actually recommend being tidy. I'm not exactly a tidy person in general, but being tidy with code, that's actually quite nice because now you know what's happening around your code, and it's quite easy. If there's a bug, it's easy to change. So in the body, there are multiple things that you can do. You have paragraphs, which are P's in attribute of P, which are literally in the word. So this is a paragraph. We also have titles. So we have h1, which is h1, and we have h2, and h3, and so forth. It's not really much, it goes up to h6, so that's about it of how much you need to know. Now we're done just listing all our titles and paragraphs. So there is a lightning sort of thing here. This just shows us the browser, so let's see a live preview of what we made right now. Okay, great. So clearly here we can see clearly we can see our header. So this is the head, test1. We've already written that, this part, test1. And of course we have our paragraph. Let's go back, P, attribute of P. And we have h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, all the way to h6. And we can see that h1 is the biggest, h2 is the second biggest. It goes on all the way to h6, which is actually extremely small. It's actually smaller than a paragraph. Another important thing of a basic of HTML that you actually need to know is lists. Lists are extremely common. If you want to write a quick list of anything, ordered or unordered, it always comes in handy. So let's actually just go ahead and do that. So there are two types of attributes to form a list: UL or OL, and really it's in the word. UL stands for unordered list and OL stands for ordered list. So let's go ahead and make an ordered list. So OL, and let's make some space. So to write, let's say an ordered list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to write, let's say 1, you basically just have to write LI. Now what LI is, it's list. It stands for list, and it basically makes one sort of a line for you. So we can test this right now. So this line 1, and let's go make another LI. Okay, so we made 2 lines. Let's go test this out again. See, and we have it right here. We have line 2 and line 1. Now we could keep on going this for. Okay, great. I made 5 lines. We can go check this out again. So yeah, here we are, 5 lines. So we can see it's ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is particularly useful if you're sort of listing an ordered checklist that you need to complete. Now, if you want to list bullet points come in the unordered list, so UL, and it's basically the exact same thing as an ordered list. What you want to do is state LI, so list. And this is an unordered list 1. And let's just make, we can just copy this. Copy this. Just make many of these, and then just name these all differently. Great. Now if you run this again, great. As we can see right down here, it's bullet points. So HTML is actually rather fun, to be very honest, and it has many uses. There are so many more other things you can do to sort out your wording, but this is the most common to be used. Okay, now I'll put down here, right down on the screen, some basic attributes you need to know. So there's something called bold. Bold, the attribute is B, and basically it makes text bold. Then we have italic, which is the attribute for I, and we also have a href. Now, a href is a link attribute. So what it is you get a link of a website and you add it into this thing. So basically, it's sort of a hyperlink. You see this in Wikipedia all the time. So let's just go find a link right now. Okay, let's search up basic stuff. Hello. Okay. Hello. Let's copy this link up on the top. Thing. And let's add it here in this URL section using the speech marks. So let's type in there. There you go. That's your link. And let's put a link here. So this link to hello. Okay. Let's see that. Okay. Great. So we have this is bold, then we have italic, follows it, and then we have our link. So let's see if it works. And perfect, it works absolutely fantastic. Great, awesome, right? So easy. We also have image source. So if you want to add an image to your work, this is what you use. You use ing first, and then you go to src equals, and your file name. So let's go find another picture right here. So perfect. Hello from our side. So let's just download this image really quickly. You have to download it in the file which your HTML sort of code is in. So let's just name this hello. Let's move on. Great, we have it there. So it's hello.jpg. You know that. Great. Now we have hello.jpg right here. Perfect. So just add that in liquid color, and right there, it comes right down on the screen. It already knows that we're here. Hello.jpg. Perfect. Let's now load the website. And there you have it, guys. Wow, that's actually a very nice picture, to be honest. Nice. And there's so much more. So let's learn a bit more about text formatting in HTML. So first of all, we have the strike attribute, which it's in the word again, strikes the text. So this is a striked text. Great. Let's go test that. Okay, great. And there you have it, right here. Not exactly the best position in the world, but it works. It works. You can actually put this in a paragraph. And let's just copy this, let's cut this and let's paste this here. So we can actually put this in a paragraph format. We can actually put it like right here. But let's just make a new paragraph down here. So when we reload it, it'll come down here. Perfect. Great. Okay. So now there are many other formats of writing. There's a superscript and a subscript. Now, what a superscript and a subscript are basically text placed higher or lower than the surrounding text. So let's make another paragraph. And here, we can put this here as well. So we can show the difference between each word. So a superscript or sub is any text that is higher than the text around it. So we all know CO2. So we can put C go outside, and we want to go above CO2. So we can put 2 right there. And a subscript is sub, which is, you can remember it as submarine. And we can think of a chemical formula such as H2O. So we can put H on the outside, 2 because it is below, and then O. Don't leave any space. I recommend leaving any space so just not get confused. And let's do it again. And here we have it. We have CO2 and then H2O right there. Brilliant, right? Easy. We also have small writing and typewriter writing. So we can actually try this out. So small writing is very fine writing through the attribute of small. So this is small writing and typewriter, which is an attribute of TT. This typewriter. Let's go test it. And there you have it. We have the small writing, very fine. Let's zoom in there. And we also have typewriter writing, which looks like typewriter writing, I think. Yeah. Okay, so before we end this HTML basics video, let's talk more about image source processing. So there are many things you can actually do when talking about an image. You can actually control things. So let's just use style. Style has a lot of, well, style sits in the word, and it has many ways you can alter your image. So you can use width, so how large or what width your image has in pixels. So let's say 600 pixels, which is rather big, to be honest. Now let's go to height. Select 700. So that's really the basic style and width. Width and height, which is of course in the style attribute. So let's go check our website out. Picture. There you go. Look at that, pretty small. And just to make sure that we're actually changing stuff, let's go and change width to 1400. Just massive. And let's see it again. Damn, there you go. That's not very nice, but it works. So that concludes our lesson for today, our basic HTML lesson. We learned about the head, which is this part, test 1. We learned about the body, which is sort of the content layer of the area. And in the body, we learned about paragraphs, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and how their size is affected by this attribute. We learned about list, an ordered list, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an unordered list, which is bullet points. We also learned the bold attribute and the italic attribute, which is right here. We also learned a link, how to add a link to hello. So this link is hello, let's try that again. Great, and we go right back to it. And we also learned how to add an image using the source and how to affect its size, style, its height, and its width. We'll talk about it more in the next lesson. We talk about how to add a strike or strike text down here. We also learned how to add a superscript or a subscript, with superscript meaning text that is higher than the text around it, and subscript, submarine, meaning the text is lower than the text around it. And we also learned small text and typewriter text, particularly small text being fine, meaning fine text, and TT, typewriter text, meaning typewriter text. And of course, we end the body in HTML. So thank you for watching. Make sure to click that like button, comment, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And see you in the next video.